What's going on, you guys? It is Professor NFT here. So before we get started, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. First things first, what did I tell you guys 2 videos ago? I told you it was gonna 2x this week or next week. I called it when it was at 20 SOL floor price. The community is strong in this project. I recommend you guys buying one, especially with the OpenSea integration coming tomorrow. Supposedly, not 100% sure. They haven't really mentioned anything in their tweets. But according to the DAOs and some alpha chats I'm in, it is supposed to come out tomorrow. Tombstone as well. I called it at 8 floor price. I see this, like I'm telling you guys, I see this going to 20 SOL floor price for sure. There's one more as well. Zazon Raptors. I called it when it was at like 14.9. It is at 17.9 right now. If you guys sold, you'll pretty much just get almost your money back with fees and stuff. So I still see this project going above 20. It did hit a 29 SOL floor price before. I see this going up, you guys. Go ahead and check that project out as well. Tombstone actually is coming out with something tomorrow, something big. I'm waiting, I'm hoping it is something big. Hopefully it will give this project a nice pump tomorrow. I'm thinking maybe it's something with OpenSea. We'll have to wait and see. But let's go ahead. Let's get into the project. So this is actually minting tomorrow. I'm hoping you guys see the video. I'm hoping you guys see the video. It's Dallies. I'm hoping you see the video before this mints. Their whitelist token is going for 6.6 right now. I see this pumping the first day for sure. Dallies dream ticket. I see them pumping for sure, you guys. Just because of that whitelist token price, sometimes it could be lower. I don't have whitelist. I'm not gonna buy it. I'm gonna wait for secondary market. Sometimes it will dip below that 6 SOL floor price for the whitelist. I'm hoping to get at 4 or 5. I see this pumping the first day for sure. The roadmap, it looks good. The art though, I do gotta say the art is one of the most beautiful in the Solana NFT space. They got something with the Dallies Dream Academy too, you guys. What that is, it's their main goal is pretty much they're gonna help upcoming artists that are passionate about their art, interesting in entering into NFT space, and they're gonna provide them tools like capital, marketing, and development and networks. So as well on their Discord, I do not have it on this Discord account, but I do have it in some of my other Discord accounts. There is a great level of engagement, not just from the community, also from a lot of SOL influencers that are mentioning this project. So you guys go ahead, check it out, try to get that secondary action. I want to recommend you buying a whitelist token. I've seen, for example, Tombstone, when they came out, their whitelist token, what was it, like at 5? Once they released in secondary marketplace, it came below. You were able to buy it probably an NFT for like 4. So you guys, I recommend waiting, but like always, do your own research, you guys. This ain't financial advice. So let's go into the second project I do want to mention. I actually shout out to the Solstice, one of the influencers I follow in the Solana space. This project is interesting. I like the art. Let's go ahead, hop in their Discord here. So they are minting at a price of 2 SOL April 7th. Supply 4,888. One thing I did notice as well, Soul Port Tom. If you guys don't know who that is one of probably one of the his in the team of Tayo Robotics. If you don't know that project, that's a project that's probably above like 80 SOL floor price, one of the blue chips in the Solana space. He is their unofficial advisor. But that's one thing that caught my eye in this project. So let's go ahead and see the roadmap here. We see the rumbling. I like that reference pretty much from Attack on Titan. So the DAO, they're going to come out with DAO. They're going to come out with the staking. Their token, Cosmic, Tokenomics, and LP. Power reroll, 1 out of 1 auctions. And then they're going to have different stuff as well. Let's go ahead and show you guys some sneak peeks as well. Check that art out. I like it personally. But one thing that got me bullish on this project is Soulport Tom. He talked about it. Go ahead and check him out on Twitter as well. So always do your own research, you guys. There's some links here. FAQ, mint details. There's going to be some whitelist. And the team, they consist of members from Qick Gang, an alpha group that is a bunch that began as a bunch of strangers and grew to become close friends. And then staking devs. So like you see here, it's gonna be Soulport Tom. He's gonna be helping out. All right, you guys. So that is it for this video. Hope you guys have a great one. Tomorrow's a big day, a big mint day, I mean. And also OpenSea integration. Hopefully that comes out, you guys. I'll catch you guys later. You guys have a good one. Go ahead, subscribe. I'm doing more alpha calls on there as well. One more, if like let's say a Degen Dojo whitelist. I'll be talking about that project probably tomorrow. I'll make a video of it. Right now they're at a floor price of 0.53. I'll check this project out. I'm not sure if it's gonna go above. Maybe you could make a play with this token. Who knows? But you guys have a great one. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.